Namaste, dear children. This is not your regular class. This is for your subject enrichment activity, social studies subject. I will tell you how to make the audio or video regarding the books which we have or your class teacher has provided to you. Bharata Bharati book series book. The book name is Bhagat Singh. And I have sent one reminder, make a video or audio regarding Bhagat Singh, read the book. It is just 48 pages, very small book. You can read it and you can narrate any incident related to the Bhagat Singh. And I will tell you some incidents. One morning, the boy of 3 years is going walking with his father and father's one of the friend. The father and his friend were talking, chatting, and they went out of the village. They are passing along the field, and this boy followed his father. And the father and his friend were talking and going forward, and this boy is following his father. At some time, the father didn't heard the footsteps of the boy, so immediately he surprised to see where is his son and his friend also. They both turned back. This boy is doing something in the mud, sowing. It looks like he is sowing something, and the father is very curious about this incident, and he come to the his son and he asked, "What are you doing?" The son replied, "I am growing guns. I shall grow guns in this field. Many guns I shall grow here in this field." That is the reply from the boy. So the father and his friend were very surprised to this answer. What an answer from this 3 years old boy. They never expected this kind of answer. Why? It is because Bhagat Singh has observed his father and his relatives. They were revolutionaries. They are sacrificing their lives for the sake of freedom for Bharata. So he has read many books in the later years. When he started learning, he read many records regarding revolutionaries which are there in his house. That boy is nothing but Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28th September 1907 in Banga village, Layalpur district, Punjab province. His father name is Kishan Singh, Sardar Kishan Singh. His mother name is Vidyavati. And Vidyavati is very much afraid of her husband, because her husband Kishan Singh more in jail. He spent more time in jail than in his house. So Vidyavati is not happy regarding her life. She is taking care of the house, the children, the elders. Kishan Singh totally involved in the revolutionary activities. But this Bhagat Singh is Vidyavati's lovely son. She loved Bhagat Singh very much. He is very attractive, very talkative, very intelligent boy. Bhagat Singh. Once what happened, Vidyavati and Bhagat Singh were in the house. One man came and he handed over the stitched cloths to Bhagat Singh. This happened while Bhagat Singh was a boy. And Vidyavati was very curious. She asked to Bhagat Singh, who was he? Why did he come to you? Then Bhagat Singh said, he is my friend. Then Vidyavati surprised. What? This tailor also your friend? Then Bhagat Singh replied, yes. All the villagers in this village are my friends. Bhagat Singh made friendship with everyone. He is a friend for all in his school days itself. And he is not bothered about English subject. For 150 marks, out of 150 marks, he has scored 68 marks. And when he asked what is the score in English, he simply said 50 marks is enough for passing, but I have scored 68 marks. That is enough, more than for passing. He don't worry about English subject, but he learned in his school days very easily and very early. He grasped all the subjects compared to other students. His grasping power is very high. He can understand, he can talk, he can speak, he can write every subjects. He shows interest in every subject, learning, very enthusiastic, very zeal in showing the writings. That is the very active boy in the school. And his seniors were putting this Bhagat Singh on the shoulders while going to school and coming back to the school. His elders also, seniors also liked Bhagat Singh very much. That is the character of Bhagat Singh in the childhood life. We need to learn something from Bhagat Singh. And it is very tragic incident happened in Bhagat Singh's life, that during 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre, we may call it as. In Jallianwala Bagh, many Indians gathered one place. It is a very big ground and surrounded with one wall, very height wall it is. Wall is very height. No one can climb that wall and escape from that wall. And that area is having only one door, opening door. And they have gathered many Bharatiyas, many elders were there, many old men were there, and children's also there, women there, men there. They have gathered for some reason. And this gathering is against the British rules. They have announced Bharatiyas must not gather and make sabhas, announcements. No, it is not allowed. That is the British rules. They not allowed any Bharatiyas gathering people, because they may discuss regarding the freedom of India and cause riots, revolutions, processions, all those things. So British polices, British officers never allow the Bharatiyas to gather. But this is against the rule. The people gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. It is 1919 year. That day, one day, when this gathering was there, the British officers rushed from that single entry. They closed the door, and the British officer ordered the policemen to stand in line. They stood, the police officers, and he ordered to fire at the people. The guns were filled with bullets. Mercilessly, the British officers, policemen started firing at the people. Someone climbing the wall. They not even considered any children, women, men, old people. They killed everyone, each and everyone. And in the center there is a well, dry well. If anyone jumps into that well, he will immediately died there because of such a deep well it is. Many of the Bharatiyas don't want to killed by those British bullets, jumped into the well and they died in the well itself. It is the whole ground is filled with the blood. The mud is become wet with blood. Bloodshed it is. Jallianwala Bagh. This is incident. Jallianwala Bagh incident we call it as. It is a very tragic incident in the Indian history. The whole world looked at it when it happened. So many papers were wrote articles regarding this Jallianwala Bagh. The very next day, Bhagat Singh, instead of going to school, Bhagat Singh went to this spot where this massacre has taken place, and he collected the mud, wet mud. Wet opposite word is dry. Wet because of the blood, and he collected the mud from that place and he placed that mud in a bottle and he returned to home. Everyone was waiting for Bhagat Singh's return. He was not coming from very lately he came. So he showed that bottle to his sister and said, salute to this bottle. This is the sacred mud of the Bharatiyas. And he kept in a niche and he started praising that mud, and he daily he took that bottle and he made namaskara and he made promise there, I will take revenge for this incident. Britishers killed Bharatiyas, I will take revenge against Britishers. This incident made Bhagat Singh tragic and the Britishers very angry. This made Bhagat Singh very angry about Britishers. And once Simon Commission entered India, it is against. It is of Simon Commission is of what is the purpose of Simon Commission is how much freedom we need to give to the Indians, what purpose we need to give to the Indians. In that commission no Bharatiyas were there, and everywhere processions, protections started. Go back Simon, go back Simon. And Bhagat Singh also involved in that many procession. He wants to send the Simon Commission back to England. And which incident caused Bhagat Singh to hang is in Parliament. British government wanted to pass a bill. So in that bill is against the Bharatiyas. It is the date 8th April 1929, 8th April 1929, when British government started passing the bill in front of the parliament. When the members rejected, there in the parliament members rejected in the assembly, in that assembly these revolutionaries don't want to pass the bill. However, they need to resist to pass the bill. They stop to pass this bill. If this bill will pass, then the Indians or Bharatiyas condition will be very critical, they thought, and they appointed Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. These two young men prepared well and they sat in a gallery, visitors gallery. When this bill is ready to pass, these Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Datta throw bomb in the assembly. Thrown bomb in the assembly, bomb exploded everywhere, smoke is there, very hue and cry is there in the assembly. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt too started firing, but their aim is to not to harm any of the member in the assembly. So no one harmed, someone get injured in that assembly, but no one killed by blasting the bomb. And police were rushed to catch Bhagat Singh and Datukeshwar Dutt, but Bhagat Singh and Datukeshwar Dutt, they have pistol in their hands. These British policers afraid to catch those Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt, and they both surrendered themselves to the British policers. And finally, in the court, these two were presented as an accused person. Why you bombed in the assembly? Then Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt, they entered the court with long live revolution slogan. They started crying slogan, shouting the slogan of long live revolution. They entered the court and they said, if the deaf can be hear, the sound must be very loud. Our intention, revolutionaries' intention, is not to bomb the assembly. We have bombed the British. British must go back from India. We want freedom. India to be freedom. Bharat to be free from you British people. It is our intention. It is not our intention to harm any of the members in that assembly. Like that Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt said. But the court judgment says that judgment is Rajguru, Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh were to be hanged, and the date announced was 24th March 1931. That is the death sentence date by the court. 1931 March 24, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev to be hanged in the morning. But before day 24th April it is actually decided, but 23rd March 1931 Rajguru, Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh were hanged to death. Even while hanging, even when the death is near, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, they are smiling, they are not fear of death. They kissed the rope which they are going to tie around their necks, and they said, Bharat Mata ki Jai, long live revolution. They sacrificed their life for the sake of India. Today, his birthday, Bhagat Singh's birthday today. Actually, I need to send this video in the morning, but however, I am sending now. Dear students, read the book. It is very inspiring book. Like this, say in your own house, in your own words, narrate any incident, 1 page, 2 page, in your own words. You can make your own sentences. Whatever the mistakes you make while making sentences, don't worry, don't afraid. Make a video and send to me, and I will give you marks. This is for subject enrichment activity. I need to tell this story for you all, so I quoted this Bhagat Singh's story. I hope you also read the book and make videos or audios regarding Bhagat Singh. Children, do it, read the book and send to me. Thank you. Dhanyavad.